Hi friends, welcome to the Global Monthly Video Hop for September. My name is Tracy.bish. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and for this month's theme we're casing from the catalogue. I've actually chosen a card from the annual catalogue on page 82. It's using the, what is it called? The Sea Turtle stamp set. And I just love the design of this one. So I've taken that design and we're going to be using the Snowy Wonder bundle from the new holiday catalogue, or the mini catalogue. You can find that on page 32-33. The Snowy Scenes is the suite, and it's absolutely adorable. I'll talk to you a little bit more about that suite as we go along. But to start off with, this is actually a really simple card. We have a basic white thick card base, and then I wanted to add a layer of the basic white thick for our our main sheet of paper. Now I'm creating this as I go, so you'll see me do a lot of different things, and that's how I create when I'm creating. I'm actually doing this a lot more than normally. I create the card and then I'll come back and do a video, but this is a great way of saving a bit of time, and I'm all for that. So I've actually cut down my basic white piece to 3.5 by 5.25, and then I'm using another piece of basic white thick for our stamping. So I've got my Sentiment Let It Snow. This Snowy Wonder stamp set and the bundle, it actually has 20 stamps, and what I really love about this this bundle is there's lots of little stamps that you can create different scenes. It makes a really great snow globe or snow dome. But you know, you've got snowflakes, you've got holly and berry, you've got Christmas trees, you've got a Christmas house, you've got penguins and snowmen and candy canes. And the sentiments are really good as well. You've got season's greetings, let it snow, and Happy New Year. So I thought using this design from page 82 and grabbing the snowflakes from this set. There's actually 3 snowflakes stamps in the set, and then there's actually 4 dies in the set. So what we're doing is I've got Blueberry Bushel. Because the card that I'm casing was Pool Party coloured, I really wanted to do something a little bit different, and I wanted a real bright and vibrant blue, so I went with Blueberry Bushel. So I've stamped the sentiment, and then I've got 3 of the snowflake stamps. I've just stamped them in Blueberry Bushel. I've also got a piece of Blueberry Bushel cardstock, and I'm going to heat emboss with white embossing powder a few of those snowflakes as well. And I only end up using actually 2 of the large snowflakes that I've heat embossed with the white embossing powder. I do also cut out 2 of the detailed die, snowflake die, which is super pretty as well. So the Global Monthly Video Hop is actually a group of demonstrators from around the world. We get together each month with a new theme, and what I really love about it is how different our ideas are. So you're getting lots of different ideas, lots of great content, and you know, it comes to you every single month. This month, with the CASEing the Catalogue as our theme, you're going to be able to see how different people interpret different sketches. I always love doing a sketch or CASEing the catalogue and seeing how people change the ideas that they see. For me, I don't think I'm that creative. I find that I pretty much case exactly as it is, and I'm really happy with that. But I really love how people can really see things so differently. So make sure you go and have a look at the hop and see what everyone's creating and what cards they actually choose to case from. And all the links to everyone that's taking part in this month's hop can be found in the description of this video. They're also over my blog, so go and check that out. So we have our heat embossed snowflakes there on the Blueberry Bushel cardstock. I've used the white embossing powder. We're going to die cut all these images. There are way more here than I need, but you know what? What's really great is I've got lots of little snowflakes that I can use on other cards, so I'm really happy. I wasn't exactly sure how many I needed or wanted or how I was going to play with the composition, so it actually works out really well. This card has been inspired by the sea turtle card on page 82 of the annual catalogue, so go and check that out. I did show you at the beginning, and I think this works so well. We're getting ready for Christmas. You know, I do love my snowflakes and my wintry scenes for Christmas, and this actual suite that's in the mini catalogue is absolutely amazing. You can find it on page 32, 33. Snowy Scenes is the suite. Just quickly, I have a piece of basic white here that is my matting. I have embossed with the snow falling 3D embossing folder, and it has so much dimension and shine. I did sort of think, you know, will I add a little bit of ink blending with my blending brushes or leave it white? I decided to leave it white, but I did come back in with some blueberry bushel cardstock and give it some matting, because I thought it sort of washed it out a little bit too much, and I wanted it to really step out and be noticeable. So I'm also just cutting down my sentiment there, and I'm going to do that angle cut as well, because, you know, that looks good. So the Snowy Scenes suite, page 32, 33, I love it. I think, you know, if you love Christmas cards doing wintry scenes, you can create snow globes and snow domes with this set. The stamp set has 20 stamps in it, and I love the small stamps that are in there. You know, you've got snowflakes, snowy Alps, candy canes, presents, berries and holly, Christmas trees, a little house, snowman, and a penguin. So cute. And the dies, if you buy them in a bundle, you're going to save yourself 10%. But the Snowy Wonder dies has 23 dies in it, so lots and lots of dice. And as you can see here as well, there's also a detailed snowflake. There's no stamp that goes with it. It's just it cuts out a detailed snowflake, and I've popped 2 down on my card as well. So here we're going to bring in our blueberry bushel cardstock and just create a matting for that. So in the whole suite, there's the bundle, there is DSP, which is gorgeous. There is some pool party pom-pom ribbon, which is gorgeous as well. And there's some embellishments with the white loose snowflakes. There's 2 different sizes in that as well. So you've got a really good set here that I cannot wait to continue playing with. Okay, so I'm just sort of setting up my card here until I get the correct composition that I wanted. I don't completely stick with that card, which is fine. I don't think you need to. But I just wanted to make sure that I had a good representation of each of the beautiful snowflakes there. And I think the blueberry bushel was a really good, bold choice for this card. Now, if you're after any of the supplies that I'm using on today's card, you can certainly purchase them in my online store. There's a link to my online store in the description of this video. And I have some wonderful gifts that I give out to my customers each month for shopping with me and supporting me. So if that interests you, they will come out to you once you place your order. This is a video hop, so there are tons of different inspiration with my friends that you can see as well, and that's linked in the description of this video. If you head over to my blog, you can actually see everyone that's taking part this month as well, so either or, you can use both of them. So we're going to cut down our sentiment with that angled cut, and lastly I'm going to bring in some beautiful embellishments. And you can find them on the Tinsel Gems 4-pack. So those bright blue embellishments that I'm not sure if they're blueberry bushel, but they certainly look like it, and they are absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, so this is the card for CASEing the Catalogue for the Global Monthly Video Hop. Go over and check out all my friends, what they've been creating. Give them a little bit of love. And if you've enjoyed this card, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my video channel before. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my case. Alright everyone, thank you so much for spending a bit of time with me today. I really do appreciate you you coming and watching my video to the very end. I'll be back next month with another global monthly video hop, but we'll be back with some more wonderful craft ideas for you really soon as well. I really do hope that you've enjoyed the card for today. Love it. I think it's gorgeous. All right, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.